Lesson 2, welcome to combat archery. Well, today is all about the release. You see, I use two styles of release. I use the thumb throw and I use 2Under. 2Under, index finger to the arrow, hold the arrow on the right, knock, take the thumb, close with the index finger and put the whistle to the left. Two finger under is the same. You knock, glides back, two finger under, index finger to the arrow, whistle, put them out. Most important thing is when you start to draw, you have to press the whistle outside. It's like this. You draw. You still twist the whistle to the left. Draw. Let go the arrow. Do this movement. It's a torque. Well, combat archer use the thumb draw because they press with the index finger the arrow to the bow hand. So you can jump, move left to the right and still have the arrow in the hand. Same is with the 2Under. Press the index finger to the arrow and you are ready to shoot in every situation. This is all about combat archery. Für alle meine deutschen Zuschauer, schaut, ich habe noch ein Video, wo ich das Damenziehen, das Damenschießen auf Deutsch erkläre. Thanks for watching Combat Archery Lesson 2. See you next time.